So how to access CasaOS remotely from anywhere. First things first, of course, you have to install it. This is going to be how to install it. I have a video about it, so please check it out. Now how to access it remotely. We're going to utilize NordVPN for this one. So install NordVPN. It's a really good VPN connection. And a way to access CasaOS web interface. So open up your internet browser. In the URL bar, enter this code. Alright, after that one right there, open the CasaOS welcome screen and select Go. In here, make sure you're gonna have this access. This is how it should look like. After that one, the page should load up and access this websites and applications. Now, go here and look for these plugins. Once that's good to go, you can also use this one, AdGuard Home, but I suggest NordVPN is good enough. Once everything is installed, close the installation dock and use this software. Make sure this is going to be also available for your mobile devices if you're utilizing this process on your mobile phone. That's method 1. After that one, you will see the app under section dashboard. Click it to navigate to the app's web interface. That's step 1, the easiest method. There's also step 2 for manual setup. So open your CasaOS web interface. Should be looking like this. And then under the application, select App Store. Click Custom Install and fill in the manual app install doing the dialog data. That's actually a bit more easier, a bit more labor cost though. Same drill guys, you're gonna have to apply and install Cavira. Once you have that one, set up Meshmet. Install NordVPN for this one. Now connect under the terminal of CasaOS. Same drill, download and install using this command. Log into your NordVPN, run it, and enable Meshnet. And that should do it.